How to create a YouTube channel beginner's guide. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first go ahead and open YouTube. Make sure that you are signed in. If you're not, click on this icon and you'll see the option of sign in. If you want to create your channel separate from your Google account, click on sign out and then click on the sign in option. So you can select use another account, click on that, and you can click on create account and then you can select for myself, for my child, or to manage my business. So you can enter your first name and last name is optional, and then click on next, enter your basic information and click on next, and then you can use your existing email or you can get a Gmail address instead, and you'll need to confirm that this email belongs to you. And once you do this, you'll be able to create your account. Now if you want to use your Gmail account that you already have, you can go back and sign in through the Gmail account on your YouTube. So you can click on your profile icon and then click on create a channel. So you can select your name and your handle. You can upload a picture now. You can also change these details later. So click on create channel. So your channel is being created. You can check back in a few moments. So once your channel is created, click on this profile icon and then select YouTube Studio. Click on continue. So over here on YouTube Studio, you'll see information about the channel that others won't be able to see. So you'll see different analytics. So over here, you can upload videos here and you'll see the current subscribers, the summary, views, watch time, and the top videos. To look at more channel analytics, you can click on this or analytics over here. To look at all the content you have uploaded, click over here. To look at the comments, you can click here. So to manage more settings, click on settings at the bottom and then click on channel. So over here, click on feature eligibility. So you'll see the features that you are eligible for. To enable this, click on this arrow. So to enable this feature, you'll have to verify your phone number. And you have to do the same for advanced features. Click on this, and you'll see the requirements to be eligible for this feature. Once you're eligible, you can click on access features. So you can close this. To customize your channel, click on customization. So you can share a channel trailer, and you can share a preview of your channel shown with people who haven't subscribed yet. You can set a featured video for returning subscribers. You can select feature sections for short videos and for normal videos, and you can set up to 12 sections. To add a section, click on add section. You can click on branding and set your profile picture and also your banner image. You can also set a video watermark. If you click on basic info, here you can change the channel name and you can change your name twice in 14 days. You can change your handle, but it has to be a unique handle. And you can change your handle back within 14 days. And handles can be changed twice every 14 days. You can add a description here to tell the viewers about your channel, and your description will appear in the About section of your channel and search results, among other places. You will see the channel URL here. If you want to add any external links, you can click on Add Link, and they'll be visible on your channel profile and About page. You can also add contact information here. To view what your channel looks like, click on View Channel. So this is what your channel will look like to others. So this is how to create a YouTube channel. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.